Hello investors, in this video we will see how we can create a dynamic strategy for stocks using our factor model. To create a dynamic strategy using factor model, simply click on strategies and click on create new here. Now here we have the option to create dynamic strategy using factor model. So I'll click on it and here our factor model is visible. Now let's first select the stock universe. So stock universe is Nifty 500. I'm happy with it. Now how many number of stocks do I want? So let's say I want number of stocks 10, right? And then next step is to click on the add factor button. I can also exclude the stocks that are in ASM, GSM, ESM framework, but I'm not opting for it. Then I can add the factors here, and before adding, as you can see, we can add maximum of 5 metrics, so 5 factors can be added. Now my 5 factors will be ROE, ROCE, PE ratio, sales CAGR 3 year, and the fifth metric is market cap. So I have added 5 metrics. Now I cannot add any more metrics here, right? So now we have the option to select the direction of the metric. So ROE higher the better, ROC higher the better, PE lower the better. So by default we provide this selection. If you want to change, like for example, if you want to filter stocks that has high P, I don't know why would you pick anything like that, but suppose you want to pick it, you can toggle this onto here, right? And also we can decide the weightage of each factor. Now as of now they are equal weight. What I'll do is I am more focused on the quality, so I'll change this to 30, change this to 30 as well, right? I am also concerned about sales CAGR 3 year, so I'll change it to 30 as well. So 90 is already done, right? Sorry, sales CAGR 3 year is 30, and then a PE ratio. I am not very concerned about valuation, let's say, and I am not very concerned about the market cap as well. So I'll do that to 5. So 30, 30, 30, 90 and 5, 5. So we are 100 total. I am satisfied with the factors that I have selected. I have also selected the weightages, and here you can also define based on what universe your scores are calculated. So I can select that all stocks in the industry, all stocks in the sector. I am right now selecting all stocks in the universe in all 5. Right, I am satisfied with the condition that I am provided. I'll click on run model. Now as you can see, we have selected 10 stocks. So these are the 10 stocks that gets filtered based on my factor model, right? And I can create the factor map from here. I can also export these names, but right now I am creating strategy, so I'll focus on that. So 10 stocks are visible, but now we need to define the strategy parameters, and to define that we will click on this backtest and paper trade. Once I click on it, the backtest result will be generated. It will take a few seconds to generate the results, but as you can see, the factor model that we have created has performed far well compared to the benchmark that we have taken. Here you can see the complete backtest report with trade summary, total number of trades, all the important metrics here. You have the performance charts here, trade logs here, right? And methodology. Now I want to define the backtest parameters. So what I'll do is I'll click on this backtest parameter. These are our strategy parameters. So right now, as we have defined, the maximum number of stocks is 10. We can change that from here. I'll allocate either I can allocate equal weight, or I can weigh them by a particular metric. I'll choose allocate equal weight. I'll choose the rebalancing frequency to, let's say, 6 months. Now I don't want quarterly rebalancing. I'm a long-term investor. I'll rebalance every 6 months. So which 6 months is now the option? So you can select January and July, February and August. Let's say I do it on every financial year basis, so every April and October. Right now you can also add the risk management framework here. So if I want to implement it, I can click on risk management. I'll add like a fixed stop loss of 10% as a risk management. I can also change the benchmark. So as we have taken Nifty 500 as a universe, I'll try to find and add Nifty 500 as my benchmark. So I'll try to find Nifty 500 TRIs here. So benchmark is also changed, and if I want to calculate the transaction costs, I can toggle on this. It will give us more real life representation of this strategy. So I'll also toggle on the transaction costs. So all my strategy parameters are selected. My initial capital is 1 CR, and now I am satisfied that these are the strategy parameters that I want to add. Then I click on the rerun backtest again, and now it will recalculate the backtesting performance based on the factors that we have now given it. So as you can see, actually now our portfolio is underperforming the benchmark, right? Now it can be because of the risk management module that we have implemented. So if you are trying to limit the risk, your reward will also be limited, as we can see here, right? So now everything changes. This CAGRs, cumulative return, everything is changed now. So I won't be investing in a portfolio or in a strategy that underperforms the benchmark, right? So I'll again disable the risk management and then again rerun the backtest. It will take a few seconds again, but yeah, we can see the results now. Now our portfolio is performing better compared to the benchmark because we have implemented the risk management. We have disabled it, and as you can see now, average loss ratio is increased. It was -6% because we have 10% risk management stop loss there. So that's it. I'm now satisfied with this factor model. As you can see, these are the 5 factors that I've added, right? And based on this, these are the results. This is the backtesting performance. I'm all satisfied. So what I'll simply do is click on the paper trade. The strategy's creation is complete, and I'll click on the paper trade now. So now I'm asked to add the name, so I'll need to provide the name. This can be demo stocks factor strategy, right? So this is the name, and again I can, if I want to, I can provide the description. I am opting to not provide it as of now. I am satisfied with this. Okay, so we have to provide the description. So high quality stocks, this is the description, and I can also add bullet points and everything. So what I'll do is, and we are rebalancing it twice a year, so 6-month rebalancing. I am also typing it in my description. Okay, so 6-month rebalancing, and that's it. I'm satisfied now. I'll click on execute order, and that's it. Demo stock factor strategy that we have created. This dynamic strategy using factor model is visible here. Right now, if I click on it, I can only see the orders, but from tomorrow onwards, I'll be able to see the actual performance, and I can show the same to you as well. So I have created this strategy on March 26th. Now I can see the actual performance of this strategy. It was doing well until 3 days ago, and then market has corrected a bit. So now my strategy is underperforming, and I can see the stock scores, key talking points, then performance summary. Everything important will be visible to you here. So I can see the trailing returns, calendar year returns, right? I can also see the trade logs, and the methodology. And now we will be also introducing this start live trading button, that we will be introducing this live trading feature in some time. So once you are satisfied with the paper trading performance, so you have created a strategy, you have back tested it, now you have also paper traded it, so you are tracking the strategy performance for, let's say, past 3-4 months. Once you are satisfied, you can start the live trading on that strategy with this a single click on this button, right? So that's it. This is how we create a factor model based dynamic stock strategy. And in the next video we will see what are the different parts of a particular strategy in more detail. Thank you.